Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Premier YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review several projects which are of RC. You know RC Rasool Rizwani. Rasool Rizwani is a Web3 entrepreneur in UAE. So he is one of the best. So here's a small video about Rasool Rizwani. So check it out first.
Hello, how can I help you?
Which crypto ecosystem has had the most positive and profitable days?
Only one RZ.
Which project's tokens have always stayed green, even in a red market?
Again, RZ, because he saved blockchain from centralized exchanges and brought small investors into the game.
The world's largest network of game centers belongs to which international organization?
The answer is simple, RZ.
And finally, who's the founder and owner of this ecosystem?
The one who transformed the world of crypto and was named among the top 10 blockchain entrepreneurs worldwide and showed us all that everyone is a gamer, everyone is a winner. Rasool Rizwani, RZ.
So guys, here we are back on the website and you can check out the website of RC Coin, the future of decentralized business. The future is tokenized. RC Coin is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a gateway to transform businesses, companies and brands. Supported by the advanced RC blockchain technology, RC Coin specializes in assets tokenization in various industries and enables secure, transparent and efficient transactions. With RC Coin, all businesses will find new opportunities for growth as well as innovation. Get started right now. So what is basically RC Coin? It is providing decentralized platform native token as well as token utility is available. They have several use cases as well. You can check out key features of RC Coin includes fast transactions, low fees, smart contracts, interpolability. Down here you can check out the method of working of RC Coin is transaction initiation, blockchain verification as well as transaction confirmation. Down here you can check out the benefits includes enhanced security, increased transparency as well as global acceptability. Down here you can check out they have DAO as well. The DAO empowers RC Coin holders to participate in decision making processes as well as much more. It is available on PancakeSwap, LA Token, Findex, CoinGecko, Coin Market Cap, BitStorage, Dex Tools, PSC Scan, DexTrade and much more. Down here you can check out the roadmap of this amazing project. So roadmap started from Q4 of 2024, which was about launch on Binance Smart Chain, then listing on decentralized exchange, audits and verifications, achieving accurate ranking on CoinMarketCap and much more are about to come. So must follow this amazing product. You can check out their tokenomics as well. The circulating supply as well as total supply is shown here. Also you can check out secure transactions, privacy protection as well as regular audits are some of the features. Also you can check out they have 7.7 billion market cap as well as the price are shown here. So now let's check out the second token, which is insurance token, securing your digital and physical assets including reducing risk and empowering confident investments. You can check out the contract address as well. Just copy it and check it out. Down here you can check out the about us video as well as efficient expertise and values are given here. You can check out protecting digital assets, securing physical assets, reducing investment risks as well as promoting financial inclusions are some of the features of this token. They are providing digital asset coverage, physical asset coverage, investment risk coverage and much more. Also you can check out key features include theft and damage protection, fire and natural disaster coverage, loss of use coverage as well as liable protection. Also you can check out some of other features and token utilities are shown here. They are available on Binance, SBIT, Windex, DexTools, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Pi, PSC Scan, PancakeSwap and much more. Also you can check out the chart as well. So now let's check out the third project, which is Meta Games Coin. Discover the power of MDC ecosystem to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. MDC rank as well as DEX is available. MDC token power financial transactions across the MDC ecosystem. You can check out the contract as well. They have MDC City, MDC Club, MDC NFT, MDC rank, MDC Coin as well as MDC DEX link. You can check out their vaccine as well as the timeline and team is shown here. So now let's jump to the Twitter, and here you can check out the Twitter of Rasul Reswani. So must follow him as well. Also you can check out his Instagram handle. He has 65.7k followers, so must follow him. So I hope you like this amazing and awesome review of this amazing products, and do some on research as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.